Hello friends, welcome to Salesforce Network Salesforce Administrator tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is document in Salesforce. Document in Salesforce. It is a standard object created by Salesforce to store documents, files, images, etc. Documents are of two types. Internal document. It can be shared with only internal users. Content of this file is not visible directly. We need to open it manually. Externally available image. Content of this file visible directly. This can be shared with internal and external users. Note: any document we create will be saved to a folder. Types of folder. There are two types of folder: my personal document folder, custom document folder. Any document stored in my personal document folder cannot share with any user and they cannot deploy. Steps to create folder. On tab panel, click plus sign, click documents, click on create new folder. Step 1, enter folder name. Step 2, choose user to whom folder should be visible. Click Save button. Steps to create document. On tab panel, click plus sign, click documents, click new. Step 1, enter document name. Step 2, choose document type. Step 3, choose file. Step 4, save. Note: normal document size is 5 MB, 20 KB as logo. We can use these items when creating an email template. Document files are stored to folder. My personal documents is a standard folder created by Salesforce. We can create our own folder. Example: create a document folder by the name payment collection and create a document by the name payment. Thank you. So coming to our practical session, just type on the URL login.salesforce.com. Click on login. I don't want to register my phone. If you can go with that. Here we are seeing the classic view of Salesforce. On the left hand side, just we are seeing Salesforce logo and Winter 21 release. This is tab panel, home, chatter, libraries, content, subscription, plus symbol is there. If we want to switch to lightning experience, our user menu, this is setup. If we need help, click on this. Here all the apps are coming, what Salesforce is already provided. Here all the apps are coming. For creating the document folder, just simply click on tab panel plus sign, look for documents and click on that. Here document folder is coming and by default one folder we are getting my personal document folder, that is standard one. If we need to create our own folder, just click on create new folder. Provide here your folder name. Here I am going to provide by the example what we had seen in our document file, that is payment collection. Provide the access. Here two types of access is there: read only, read write. I am going with default read only. This folder is accessible by all users. This folder is hidden from all users. Then go for this one. This folder is accessible only by the following users. Click on this radio button and choose to whom I am giving the access. I am going with default one and click on save button. Now we are able to see our custom folder what we had created, payment collection. Now we are going to see how to create document in Salesforce. So for that one again I am going to click on plus sign, look for documents and click on that. Click on new button. Enter the document name. Here I am going to provide document name as payment. This is a unique name. Indicate document is internal, externally available image. If I am choosing this one, then image will be coming up here. In which folder you want to put this file? I am choosing my current folder, what I had created right now, payment collection, and choose the file where your file is by the name pay file is there, and simply click on save button. This your image is coming over here. This image little bit big size is there. You can make it small also. So in this session we had seen how to create document folder and how to create document in Salesforce. To getting log out, just click on user and click on log out. Thank you.